Hello guys, I'm going to show you Realme C11.
Quick user guide as well as the instruction manual and the SIM slot pin here. And yes, the Realme C11, but I'm going to keep it aside for a moment and see what else we have inside the box. Here is the adapter as well as the charging cable. Now this is the brand new Realme C11. The Realme C11 will be available in one variant with 2GB RAM and 32GB storage option. It is powered by LPDDR4X RAM, which gives 100% performance improvement compared to LPDDR3. With that, let's check the phone. Let me take the SIM tray pin and I'm going to open the SIM slot. As you can see, we have a triple slot here, a dual SIM slot and a dedicated micro SD card slot which is expandable up to 256GB. This ensures that your phone never runs out of space while storing images, videos or files. I will now put the SIM slot back. Now let's take a look at the design of the phone. From the very first look here, we can see that the Realme C11 has a trendy new design. How do you like this design? To be honest, I conducted a quick poll on my 5-axis, precise radium engraving machine with 300 minutes of polishing. Finally, 450 plus curves have been engraved on this 6.5-inch HD Plus mini drop full screen display that is 30.9% smaller than the normal dewdrop. This makes the screen to body ratio as high as 88.7%. With a 20:9 aspect ratio, the large screen enhances your viewing experience. With Realme C11, you can enjoy non-stop performance as it features a huge 5000 mAh battery. You can talk without any interruptions. Whichever way you use the phone, the battery life will always exceed your expectations. Let's take video playback as an example. The battery is so good that super fast performance. It has an 8-core 12nm processor that clocks up to 2.3 GHz from mainstream smartphone and slow motion video. It's a rare feature in entry-level phones. On the hardware front, the Realme C11 sports a 13-megapixel dual camera at the back. The rear main camera features an f2.2 large aperture that offers up to 4x zoom and supports PDAF autofocus. Now let's see some sample shots captured from the Realme C11. All the colors and nuanced details are vividly reproduced and a variety of vivid colors. Added bonuses such as 1080p video shooting and slow motion videos at 90 FPS make it a true all-rounder.